Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Google Calendar to your Notion. This is super helpful if you use Notion to manage your task or project because connecting your Google Calendar lets you see all your event and deadlines in just one place. And before we start, check the description below this video. I have added useful links and resources so you always have the latest updates. Now let's get started. I will walk you step by step through the process so you can follow along easily. But to connect our Google Calendar with Notion, we have to use Zapier because it is the tool which makes the integration easier. So to connect that, you have to be on this Zapier login page. If you don't have any account, then go to zapier.com and create your account. It's totally free and it is very easy. So after just logging into your Zapier account, simply click on this create button here and click on this Zap because Zap is basically an automated workflow and we are going to create that. So we have two options. One is the AI. We are not going to do that. We are going to do this manually because it's more easier and simpler. So basically in this case, people will create or submit a or select a schedule or a date on my calendar, and I can see or you can see this in your Notion account, right? So we are going to create a trigger point so people will submit or do activity on my Google Calendar. So I'm just going to select this one, Google Calendar. If you don't find here, you can just simply search here. Now what you have to do, you have to create an event, like what people do. I mean, what will be the trigger point? Let's say if someone create a new calendar or if someone start a new event or end an event, like I mean anything what happen on your calendar you want, and for that you will be notified or you will be able to see on your Notion. I have already connected because I did my work before. You can see there is a sign in option. If you click on that sign in, you will be redirected on this page, and on this page you have to connect your Zapier with your Google account. That's it. There is nothing big thing. Okay, we don't have any problem on our Google Calendar and Zapier. It's already successfully connected. So just simply click on this continue with select record. Now it's asking for the action, like what will be the action. The action will be created a Notion page, right? So let's search for the Notion, and here it is. Just click on this to select, and we have selected the Notion as the action. Same thing, we have to choose an event. Like basically if someone create a new calendar on my Google Calendar, Notion will create something what I will be select. I want to add a new page, so I'm just selecting this. Now after that, you just have to authenticate or connect your Notion account with Zapier. To do that, simply click on this sign in. Now if you want the same thing, you can test the Zapier and Notion connection. If there any problem or not, you can see that by testing. Okay, our Zapier and Notion connection is successfully completed because it's successfully tested here. Now your Google Calendar and Notion is connected, so you just have to click on this publish button and your calendar is connected with Notion. So basically this is how you can connect your Google Calendar to your Notion. Once it's done, you will have your event and task all synced together. So thanks for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. Remember to check the description for official link and guide. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.